be doing a little review or experiment with the GoPro 8 Media Mod. I am aware that the 9's been out for a while and 10's probably around the corner, but 8's pretty cheap right now. 7 and 8's batteries interchange. I don't think the 9 does from the looks of it. So I didn't want to buy a 9, I had to buy new batteries. So anyway, that's not what this is about. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I tried to find some reviews online, I couldn't find them for exactly what I'm doing. Every time I saw the Media Mod review, it's almost all vlogger stuff, which I get. Vloggers love it. But I'm wanting it for automotive reasons. I want to know, does the Media Mod pick up better exhaust tones? All that good stuff. That's what I want to know. Now, I am aware that the Media Mod already has a built-in 3.5mm aux adapter, so you can run the Rode mic on it with a cold case and all that. It's already set up for that. With 7, you had to buy a different case, the adapter, and then the Rode mic. But regardless, what I want to know is, does the Media Mod itself just pick up that much better tone? So I'm doing 2 tests. The first test will be attaching both these with wind slayers on the side of this truck and going down the road. Trying to make it fair by both having wind slayers, that way, well, try to cancel out as much wind as I can. So we'll do that test first, let you hear it, and then we'll go to the next test. So here's the setup on the truck. 8 right here with the little foam I made on it. It is stuck with Velcro. Velcro's not sticking too well. I may have to use super glue or something. And then here is a 7 with the wind slayer foam on it. So this is an old wind slayer from actually this one that just worn out and stretched out from over the years. So I just cut the corner out and did like that. Not the prettiest thing, but it should help with wind noise on that as well. second test. Now if you've watched my channel before, you've probably seen some of the exhaust videos I do, muffler comparison, or just putting different mufflers on cars, bolting them up, seeing what they sound like. So a lot of drive-bys. Usually use a Sony Handycam, which is right here. I'm filming with now. It's usually somewhere right there by the road, and then I have a GoPro on the side next to the exhaust, which is pretty much what the first test was for. Second test is going to be to test if the GoPro 8 Media Mod, and this time the 7 with the adapter and the Rode mic, which one picks up sound better of driving by a vehicle. Now the first vehicle I'm going to use is the truck here, which is decent, different sound to it. You can hear it pretty well. You probably hear it pretty good ways down the road. In person, on camera, well, it's a different story, and that's what I'm really trying to grab. How far can you catch the sound down the road? And I am going to have the Sony Handycam there as well as a third camera filming. And second test car will be the Vibe, which is much quieter, so it'll probably provide a little bit better of a test too. So we got something decently loud, something decently quiet. So get all three of these set up and try to make it pass. Alright, so there it is. 2 tests. I haven't checked the footage yet myself, so what I'm going to do now is edit this. Of course, you're already seeing the edited version, but let me know what y'all think in the comments. Which one's better? Obviously, the GoPros have a good picture, but the sound's always been lagging, so I'm hoping this improved the sound. And judging from the feedback in the comments is also going to depend on how I do my exhaust videos in the future. If I'm going to use the Rode mic in the 7 up here by the road on a tripod to film the drive-by, and then the 8 Media Mod on the side. Or if I'm just going to use a Sony Handycam on the tripod like I have been, and then the Media or the 7 on the side. So let me know, and hopefully this video was what some of y'all were looking for. So I hope it proved helpful. As always, thanks for watching.